racing it.
So we don't need the spray whale.
What evidence do you have for that?
Colorado with an
What evidence do you have that this unknown one should fit there? Is that where you're at right now? Okay, tell me where you're at.
We're just making it up. We're looking at the names at this point.
Okay. I heard you read this part though. Do you know what to do for this? Yeah, how would you pick it? Okay, what are your ideas? You see it? Yeah. Okay.
Can we draw on this?
You bet you can. That's why you have a marker.
J.
Tell me why.
Because it has the same body form and head and probably whatever, I think, fins or tails.
Okay, what were you thinking?
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing, but like we were kind of talking about how like it could evolve, because this one kind of like shaded it.
Okay, good. They're definitely not identical. So you have to figure out what time period they may fall. Do you agree, Alexis?
Yes.
Okay, how many body segments? Do those match?
Yeah, 4.
All right. Go ahead, make your decision.
Then that's their grandmother.
So what is the H there?
The H here.
Yeah, for J.
It's the one that says
395,000.
So that's when it began, so it's probably a little
It's
less
probably
than
like,
that.
I think this is so amazing.
probably like 3,900.
So we have the same.
What am I saying? 394,000.
But you'll see that these are 3 of the same. The positioning is the same of the shapes. And then you want to think about why is that? Okay?
Well, it says likely age of organisms, and it says began, and then it began 395,000 years ago.
Right. So how do you read this data? Is this further back in time or more recent than this?
This is recent.
Good.
This is farther.
Awesome. Yeah, you got it.
Okay.
So you can write in the date, or you can write in the time period. Those mean similar things to
Is this
geologists.
the time period?
This is the time period, the name of it, and it's based on what organisms arose during that time period, and this is the actual years. Either answer is accepted.
Alright, so
Write the number of differences between a human and each one of these. Does that make sense, Brianna?
I'll just underline all the ones that
Do you want me to?
How's it going?
good. We're still
That's great. Did you see, especially this turkey vulture, these fingers?
yeah.
Is that unbelievable?
Funny. Do they
So
even use
why would a turkey, well, do they? The turkey vulture use these tiny finger-like structures in their wings. What do you think? No. Yeah, and look at how they've changed, right? So they're long and skinny to help with probably the pointiness here, but then take a look at ours. So your questions coming up are about function and why these have changed over time differently than ours. It's a turkey vulture. Yeah, but turkeys can too, actually. They roost at night in the trees and they come down. So did you have a question for me before I interrupted you?
No.
Okay. Cool. Keep going.
So yeah, that was the phalanges.
Yeah.
Okay. There's the casserole. Ball. And then
That's the other one.
Ulna doesn't show enough. Maybe it does. Yeah.
This is so
So
interesting.
this
These are long and narrow, probably
or this it's you'll okay, so this one. What we need to do is figure out like what the functions of the limbs
So
are.
for humans, it's like to grab things.
To do things.
Yeah, to do basic things, I guess. Wait, so like, how do I write this down for like the function, like to grab or? Okay.
What do you think? Yeah.
Yeah, but
Yeah, that's okay. Sounds like a good answer. Do you guys agree?
cat to walk.
So take a look at the finger bones here. As you think about their functions, then take a look at the difference in the fingers, right? And if that function makes sense with that structure. It's all structure function.
Alright, so for me it says during which time in the fossil timeline does it appear that two
That one.
separate
Oh yeah, one. That's a toe. Yeah.
But like, what is that for balance or?
What do you think? So who has a cat here? Does that toe sit to the side, behind the front toes, or behind it, or to the side, or where does it sit?
It's in the back, like
Okay, so what do you think that's for?
standing or?
Okay, good. Tell me more. Sam, what do you think about your cat?
Just more stability.
Good. Yeah, I think so. I think so. And maybe, is your cat, like, is it able to jump?
No.
No, not yours?
No.
Tilda can't jump. Oh, no.
My cat-
Anyway,
my
can
cat-
yours, Griffin? What do you think maybe that toe can do also then?
Give it a jump boost.
Yeah, a plan. Right, good. Keep going. Oh, yeah. What body plan or trait are you trying to track? Yeah, that's where you want to start. Are you on 4? Oh, never agreed. Okay, good.
Well, we weren't sure if it was this one or.
Okay, so number 3, they need your help. It says, during which time period in the fossil timeline does it appear that 2 separate species developed, and explain your reasoning. So this is further back in time, and this is more recent. When do you think these 2 fossil records show a divergence in different species?
So it's like the earliest one?
Yeah, what do you think, Luna?
Yeah.
Okay, and now why? You guys all agree, because that's what you had too, Alexis.
Yeah.
What is the reason?
Body shape.
It's
Tell me more.
earliest one that it looked not even really that similar.
Okay, good. They don't look similar, so what specifically is different?
The bodies are different and then like the little tail.
Good. But what about these things? What do you think this is? Because this will lead you to another question coming up.
That's its organs.
Could be its organs. What else?
Legs.
Some kind of appendage. Yep. So a question coming up is you're going to track this change and tell me what environmental conditions could have led to that. Because clearly they diverge here. I think you're right on that. So you have to think about why. Go to it right now. I'm helping you. So what could be a reason that this one had less body segments, changed up its tail, and this one all of a sudden gained appendages?
It made it.
Okay, good. Any other ideas?
It made it with a different type.
Okay, could have to do with reproduction and random mutations, definitely. And so if it stays, does it stay? That trait? That adaptation? Then is it an advantage? Is it selected for?
Yes.
All right, so it stayed, so it must have helped it survive. So what could be a reason? Alexis, you had a great reason.
Because it was
It could have been nice. Yeah, it could have. There could have been a geologic event or something that dried up this waterway, and its advantage was to move to land, or it had adaptations to allow it to do
Is
that.
that for this one? Number 4?
Yeah, yeah, good. Nice job, guys. So, are we done with number 1 or not? Oh, this is a good one. What is a better indicator of relationship between 2 organisms, structure or function? What'd you come up with?
Structure.
Why?
Because if the same, or like one person like goes into different territories or whatever, they're gonna have to adapt to that. So they might have a different function.
Okay, good. So, what evidence from this one did you have of that? You said person, but are you meaning different species?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, do they all have the same function for their forelimbs?
No.
Absolutely not. Yeah. Good.
They're all the same structure.
Nice. And what do we call those structures again? One more time.
homologous.
Nice, nice. It's on the board. Okay, so then let's go to this one. Birds, bats, and butterflies have the ability to fly. So now we're looking at function. Bird and bat wings are homologous. We've seen them right here. However, a butterfly wing is not considered to be homologous to a bird wing. Offer an explanation for why the butterfly wing is not homologous. Doesn't have the same structure. Awesome. Any other?
They probably have different ancestors because butterflies are insects.
Okay, good. Yeah, they're completely different families, right? Same kingdom, but different families. I like it. Keep going.